Good evening, friends. Today is 22nd, and we are talking about tomorrow, Tuesday, 23rd of July, the budget day. I गया वो दिन कल. Okay. पहले देख लेते हैं आज क्या हुआ. What happened today? I was anticipating a gap down. We got a gap down. I was anticipating the gap will be filled. It got filled. Look at the broad levels. Expected level was 478, where it had ended almost 3. The today's low was 362. Next support is at 24,102. 24,102 in case 353 breaks. 24,102 is the next support. Keep that in mind. On the hourly chart, the support came in exactly at 24,379. It went here right in the beginning of the day, bounced back from here. The low, as you see, was 362. The level was 379 in the intraday chart and 353 in the daily chart. So tomorrow the level is 24,102 for the daily chart and 24,142 in the intraday chart. And there are intermediate levels of 24,379 once again appearing and 24,320 also there. Has the market started cracking? Not yet. As I said, um, it's the Friday's candle was not a change in direction. Today's candle also is not change in direction. It has corrected for sure. There is no doubt about that. But it is not the change in direction. For tomorrow, what am I expecting? I'm expecting actually green, at least on the open. But then, as I said, events they pay, data has no meaning, technicals have no meaning, nothing holds true except the emotions. So something is said, the emotions go up, something is said, the emotions go down. कल हो जो भी होगा, typically with due respect is called the NS candle. The finance minister's name, NS candle. Typically these candles have been strong red. So if not tomorrow, then day after. So be careful. This is a hint for you. Be careful. Any bounce, don't get too excited. Any fall, don't get too depressed. Let the market stabilize and then trade. For Bank Nifty, the game was played by HDFC Bank. Bank decided to find support at 1599.15 and went up and actually went and hit the first target of 1647.85, made a high of 1651. Close नीचे हुआ है. But the damage was done, big damage was done by Reliance. Probably the results were not in line with the expectations. It went down, gap down. Now, this is not a good news. HDFC Bank has seen gap down and that gap is still existing. Reliance has created a gap down and it has kept falling down. The support lies at 2989 and then 2960. The falls, the bounces are likely to get sold into as far as Reliance is concerned. And that's not good news as far as Nifty or the market is concerned. However, Bank Nifty, if it manages to, sorry, HDFC Bank, if it manages to, stabilize over 1649, 1647, then we can see 1664 and 1696, which can be massively good for the market. But these are all permutation combination, right? ICICI Bank has kind of made a double top already, which is not good news. Infosys recovered after the gap up and then consistent fall. The gap still exists, so it is holding out. So IT is supporting us. Bank isn't really supporting us, and oil and gas has given way. So the news isn't very good, but so far, as per the rules on the daily charts, we are not seeing any change of trend. It has found support at the correct level 24353 and possibly may see some bounce tomorrow. And what could that bounce be? That bounce could come. It has started coming in. So we saw a hammer kind of a candle on 15 minutes charts. I mentioned about this in the morning trade session also today morning between 9 and 10 when we do the morning trade session. I mentioned watch out for this because this is a good sign and the market could recover from here, and it did. Unfortunately, it did not go and hit 608 that I was expecting. It did go and made a high of 595. Now, 608 and 595 is not much of a difference. It is about 13 points or so. But that tells me that there is the interest, buying interest is not that strong. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. But it did hit the first target of 24485, hit the second target of 24526, but third target was very narrowly missed. Um, the time turns upside for tomorrow around 9:15, but more important is the time turning positive tomorrow at 3 p.m. So irrespective of what Nifty and Bank Nifty does in the daytime in the morning, I think it will be worth watching what does the price action show around 3 o'clock for Bank Nifty tomorrow. After making an attempt to reach this high 608, it found support again at 526, which was breached, and then the support was found again at 24485, and the consolidation almost kept on going for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost 2 hours plus. तो ये 12 बजे के बाद 12-1 बजे के बाद it was broadly in this range. Now, as I said, the support is between 102 and 102 and 141 on the lower side, and on the higher side 608 needs to be crossed with conviction. Otherwise, we will probably be struggling once again. And if we do not find enough strength in Nifty to go up, it might just crack down. So, technically speaking, we are still not negative, but we are very close and we are clinging on with the skin of the teeth. So, it is now or never, do or die moment for the market tomorrow. It is also possible that tomorrow market can recover by end of the day. So after doing some kind of a zigzag during the day and during the budget announcements, it may go down, but then correct during the day, and but do some kind of a recovery by the end of the day, and then day after tomorrow can be tricky because by the time people start understanding and interpreting what is the meaning of this budget announcement, and then a decisive move direction can be attained. So till that time, these uncertainties are there, and the India VIX is settling at 15.35. I think it's time to refrain from trading too much. And if you have to trade with less number of lots, and preferably in the first 15 minutes, where the first 15 minutes move you are able to capture, and then sit tight. See, even today also, if you see 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost एक डेढ़ घंटे का move था, and after that the market went into a limbo. Same with the Bank Nifty. So it did open here, fell down, then recovered. So और उसके बाद again it was almost flattish. It will not do anything till the time the triggers will come in. So hold on, wait for the triggers to come in, and that's when we will decide what to trade and how to trade. Okay, so this is the nutshell. Levels are already here. Is there anything else that I wanted to say? Um, Yeah, that's it. So I think today's level is critical, 362, because one, it is the low of this hammer, and two, also because today being the moon phase day, it was important for us to find some kind of a base today, and that base probably has been found. But if this base gets violated, then it could be difficult, right? So be very careful. Do not get overexcited to trade. In my view, between 104, no, 102 and 141 is the strong support zone, but there is an intermediate support zone of 443 here as well. This is where the Nifty first candle of 15 minutes ended above this. So this is a zone which acted as a all-time high once upon a time. This could probably be a level to watch out for. Okay. All right. Trade sensibly. Wait for the event to pass and then trade. No heavens will fall in these 2 days. Okay. Wish you all the best and have a green day. Bye bye.